Hi guys, what's up? It's me Parth, and today we are going to draw Goku Super Saiyan Blue. So first what you want to do is draw a square with 3 cm side each. Then I am going to go ahead and start by drawing the shape of the face. So once we are done with that, we can go ahead and draw the ears. If you want, you can use a scale to keep with the right proportions. Then what we are going to be drawing is we are going to be drawing the facial expressions. So for that I am going to draw a line just above the middle line of the square to indicate the position of eyes. So we are going to draw the wrinkles between the eyes first. Then I am going to draw a small line and then draw a long line to create his eyebrow. So his eyebrow kind of looks like the Nike symbol. So you can keep in mind the Nike symbol while drawing the eyebrow too. Then we are going to draw a line above the eyebrow, and I am going to repeat the same thing for the other eye as well. Again, you can use a scale to keep with the right proportions. So once you are done with that, draw 3 lines to indicate the eyes, and do the same for the opposite side. After that, just draw a small line inside to give the eyeball. Now I am going to draw the famous cheek marks of Goku, and then we can start by drawing the nose. So for the nose, you just draw a straight line and a horizontal line, and then kind of draw a triangle and then a line connecting both the lines. Now for his mouth, as we all know in Dragon Ball, the mouth is really close to the nose. So what you want to do is you want to draw it really close to the nose. Now in this picture I am going to be drawing Goku when he is charging up and when he just becomes Super Saiyan Blue. Okay, so now that we are done with the face, I am going to move on to the hair, but I am going to come back with you guys once I make some minor adjustments. Okay guys, so I have done ahead and made some adjustments. Again I am going to make some adjustments with his face outlining because I feel like it's wrong. After that I am going to draw his ears. Then I am going to make a rough line for his hairs. So if you want, you can just follow me. Just make a rough sketch for his hairs, which will look like this. Then I am going to go ahead and draw his hair slightly above his eyeball. Over here I am going to draw hair cutting the eyebrows. Another one. Then I am going to draw another hair which is going to cut this eyebrow. And finally another one to complete the hair over his face. Just going to add some lines. Okay, so this was for the hairs over his face. Next, I am going to draw another hair which will start from this ear. And if you remember, we had made a rough outline for the hairs, so that will help us out, because if we know the rough figure of the hair part that we are drawing, then we can easily draw it. So now also I am going to draw it very roughly, not that detailed. Okay, so this was for the right side. Now for the left side also, I am going to start over here and do the same thing which I had done for the right side. Okay, so this is the sketch of his hairs. I'm going to go ahead and just add some lines. Okay, so now that we are done with the hairs, I'm going to focus on his neck part. So Goku is charging up, so there won't be that big neck. Just draw two small lines and then draw the lines which will make up the neck, and of course his six packs. Once you are done with that, you can just simply draw the rough sketch of the torso. Follow me to draw the rough sketch. Okay, so I have made the rough sketch. Now I am going to add a few more details. And rub the rough sketch. I am going to add some creases to the shirt. Now for his main shirt, I am going to draw another rough sketch. So if you have seen my yesterday's video, you can see that in which I had drawn the shirt easily by doing a rough sketch. So yeah, I am just going to draw the rough sketch first and then draw the main sketch. I'm going to refine the shirt. Okay, so this is the main sketch. Now I am going to draw the hands. Before the hands, let me just go ahead and complete the belt. It is very easy. I am going to draw the rough sketch. Now for the most difficult part of the drawing, which is the hands. I am going to just make some rough figures, and I always use the rough figures because if you know the rough figure, then you might always know how to draw the main figure. So this is how the rough figure will look like. I am going to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so now I am going to add more details. So I am going to continue doing the hands. I am going to draw the biceps and the triceps. So as you can see, if we draw the rough sketch, we can easily draw the hands. I am going to do the same thing for this side. Just make a few small adjustments. And again draw the biceps and the triceps. So I'm going to refine the hands and come back with you guys once I have done that. Okay, so I have done some refinements and I have drawn the shape of his wristband. Now I'm just going to add a few creases and I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just a second, I'm just going to make some changes in the face because I think that the face is not that nice. So I'm going to be back with you guys once I have done the face. Okay, so the overall figure looks like this. Now the only thing is left is the hand. So for the hand, I'm going to draw somewhat a rough sketch like this. Then I am going to increase just going to draw the knuckles. Okay, so now that the left hand is over, I am just going to go ahead and draw the right hand as well. Again, I am going to use this rough sketch and then do the same thing that I had done before. Okay, so now that this whole sketch is over, our drawing is complete. So this was it for part 1, guys. So in the part 2 I will be coloring the entire drawing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, because I upload new videos every day, and I'll see you guys next time.